Okay, good afternoon, everyone. So we start our class now. As usual, I want to remind you to enter our class or to come to our class at punctual, please punctual at the exact time, so that we do not wait any longer for those who still not join our class. Okay, please come at the time given. Even though I advise you here, I know that all of you here now are coming at the time, but you can remind your friend to join us at the time given. Okay, so we continue our lesson. For your information, yesterday homework, I'm really sorry I forgot to post the answer in the WhatsApp group, but I will post it later during the offline class. Okay, so today we just continue. The next is properties of triangles and also the interior and exterior angle of triangle. Okay, so first we look at what are the properties of a triangle. So you know triangle is a polygon which have three sides. Okay, three sides. Okay, like this. So we have three sides, one here, and one here. If you have a triangle and then you have a line or a side that denote as like this one mean that all the sides are equal length. Okay, all the sides are equal length, same length. Okay, so this triangle is called equilateral triangle. So if you look at the word here contain equal. Equal mean that same. Okay, same or equal. Mean that all the sides are equal. If here is 5 cm, here also 5 cm, and then the other side also 5 cm. That is equilateral triangle. And we write down or we denote this one as like this. You have the mark like this. Okay, so what is the properties or geometric properties for this one? The first one is all the side are of the same length. So same length. If here is 5 cm, here also 5 cm, here also 5 cm. If here is 10 cm, here 10 cm, here also 10 cm. So all the side same length. And then the second one, all interior angle is 60 degree. Interior mean inside. This is triangle, a closed region. Okay, a closed region. So inside, all the angle inside. This one, equal to 60 degree. Here is 60. Here also 60. Here also 60. So why it becomes 60? Because the sum of the interior angle, the sum, you plus this, and then you plus this angle, you plus this angle equal to 180. Okay, 180. So any triangle, the sum of the interior angle equal to 180. So for this case, all the angle here must be 80 degree for equilateral triangle. Okay, and then number of axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry is the line which you can fold this diagram into two same size. Okay, so if you fold here, you will get same size. So this is one axis of symmetry. And then another one, if you fold here, okay, you fold here, this is also another one of axis of symmetry. And then if you fold here at this side, you can also get the same size or same shape. So this one, for this case, equilateral triangle, we have three axes of symmetry. Okay, clear about this equilateral triangle. So remember, all the sides are same length. and then all the interior angle equal to 60, 60, 60. Not change for this equilateral triangle. Fix. Again, 60, 60, 60. Okay, that is the first triangle you have to know. Okay, the second triangle is like this. You only have two mark here. Okay, to mark here mean that this length equal to this length, but the other length is not equal to these two. Okay, this one we call as isosceles triangle. Okay, isosceles triangle. So what is the geometric properties for this one? Okay, the first one, two of the side have the same length. Two of the side, only two. So for this case, this is one, this is another one. So two have the same length. If here is 6 cm, here also 6 cm. But the rest, the other one is not 6 cm. Okay, if the other one also 6 cm, this is equilateral triangle just now. Okay, but for this case, only two have the same side. Two sides have the same length. So this one is called isosceles triangle. Okay, and then the two base angle of the same size. Okay, two base angle. This is the base angle. This angle have the same size. Mean that if here is 50, here also 50. If here is, let's say, 30, here also 30. Okay, the two base angle of the same size. Okay, and then a number of axes of symmetry. If you fold this diagram, you can only fold one here, like only like this. If you fold this one here, cannot, because this one is not same length as this one. So only one axis of symmetry. Okay, maybe some of you don't know how to identify the base angle. This triangle is very important. Usually in triangle, in polygon or triangle, this triangle, isosceles triangle, is very famous in exam. Okay, so you must know which one is the base angle. So I want to give you some tips. Okay, let's say you have an isosceles triangle like this. So how to identify which one is the base angle? So you imagine this length, the same length, okay, the same length is your leg. If your pen, like this. This is your leg. And then you have shoes, right? You have shoes, right? So your shoes must be same color, same size, same everything same, right? You cannot wear shoes one red, one yellow, or you cannot wear shoes one size 9, one size 6, cannot. So these two shoes must be same. So this one is your base angle. Okay, so this one is your base angle. Okay, so this must be same. So if given an isosceles like this, so where is the base angle? So you look at this one is your leg just now. This one is your leg. So where is the base angle? Here and here. Okay, this is your shoes. This is your shoes. Your leg like this. This is your leg. So this is your shoes. So these two must be same. Okay, these two must be same. So if given like this, where is your shoes? Is it, let's say this one A, this one B, this one C. Is it A and B or A and C or B and C? I do not know.
A and C.
Correct. A and C, here and here. Okay, this is your shoe. So this is how you identify the isosceles triangle. You must know where is the leg and also where is the shoes. Okay, so this is one another one triangle you have to learn. The next one, the third one is if you have like this, all the side not same. This one is called scalene triangle. The geometry properties is all the side of different length, not equal. Maybe this one 10, this one or maybe this one 6, this one 3, this one 5. Okay, all the sides have different length. So this is called scaling triangle. And then the interior angle, the angle inside, also different size. Okay, also different size. Okay. And then the number of axis of symmetry 0. For this case, we don't have the number of axis of symmetry. So that is the three triangle you have to know, especially for the equilateral triangle and also isosceles triangle. Okay, and then another one we also have this one. This is called acute angle triangle. Okay, where every interior angle is an acute angle. Okay, acute, remember last time you have learned about acute angle. Acute angle mean the angle less than 90 degree. Okay, less than 90 degrees. So mean that this one all acute angle. Okay, so this is, but this and this and this different size. Different size, huh? Maybe this one, let's say this one 50. Okay, this one is 60. So this one is 70. Let's say like that. But the total of the interior angle when you plus all these three angle must equal to 180. Okay, and then another one is obtuse angle triangle. Okay, obtuse angle triangle where you have one obtuse angle. One of obtuse angle. The rest may be acute angle. Okay, obtuse, what is obtuse? More than 90 but less than 180. And then we have another one is right angle triangle where one of the interior angle is right angle. You have 90 degrees. So this one is called right angle triangle. Actually, this one is not really important lah, but you have to know. You have to know the name of this one. Right angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, and acute angle triangle. The most important in this topic is the previous two, equilateral triangle and isosceles triangle. Okay, we look at the example. How do you determine the interior angles and exterior angle of a triangle? Let's say given like this. Okay, this is a triangle. Okay, you must know this is a triangle because we have three sides. So what you have to know is the interior angle inside the sum of the interior mean that A, U plus B, U plus C equal to 180. Remember that one triangle always equal to 180. Okay, and then after that, C and D, if you look at here, C and D located on straight line. On straight line. So remember last time you learned about line and angle. If you have straight line, so the total equal to 180. Correct. And then another one is from here, we can also find D by plus these two. Okay, now you look at the diagram. D. C is the adjacent angle of D. C is the neighbor angle of D, right? So we can find D by U plus the two opposite angle of D, of C, D and C. You do not take this C. This is the neighbors, the beside. We don't take this one, but you can find D by adding the two opposite angle A and B. You plus A plus B. Okay, we will look at this example of this letter. Okay, so the most important is you have to remember that the sum of interior angle of a triangle doesn't matter how is the shape of the triangle, either equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, right angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, scaling triangle, or something like that. All the sum of interior angle must equal to 180 degrees. Okay, that one is very important. Okay, and then example given like this, find the value of x. So given this is a triangle, we want to find the value of x. So we know that just now the sum of interior angle equal to 180. So we can find x. X, you plus 92, you plus 37 equal to, you plus 37, you plus 92, either one lah. So you will get equal to 180 because the sum must be equal to 180. Then you move to the back. Okay, so x is 180 minus 37 minus 92. So you will get x equal to 51. Yes, correct. So mean that some of you already understand my lesson today. Good. Okay. And then this one. So given like this, given 79, given 28, given x outside here. So this one we have two methods. Either you find here first, How to find here? This is a straight line, right? This is a triangle, right? So you can find, let's say this one is A, 180 minus 79 minus 28. So you will get A equal to 73 here. And then you can find X by, this is a straight line, so you minus, right? So, 180 minus 73. So you get X equal to 107. Yes. And then the second method, you can also use that one that I showed you just now. D equal to A plus B. Also same. Okay. D outside equal to two opposite angle. Okay, two opposite, the sum of two opposite angle. So we can also write down as x equal to 79 plus 28. Also same, you will get the same answer. So you can use like this or you can also use like this. Okay, no problem. Okay, so we do 3-minute exercise. Find the value of x. Okay, you do this. In 3 minutes, we will discuss. Give your answer in the chat. Okay, Alicia said asking 60 or 120. I don't know. Think first. Okay, seems that most of you got 120. Okay, so first you have to identify what is the triangle of this. So if you look at here, we have 3 signs here, same sign. So mean that all the sides are equal. So if all the sides are equal, this one is called equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle said that all the interior angle equal to 60 degree. All. Okay, 60 degree. Now we want to find x. So x is located on straight line, right? So mean that x equal to straight line 180. You minus inside here is 60. So you get the x equal to 120. How come some of you got 60? Joyce, just now you said 120 and now you said 60 again. Why? Jonchin 30. No, so this is the answer. X equal to 120. Understand or not? Okay. Because we want to find the x. X is outside here, not inside. Okay, x is outside. So straight line 180. You minus inside here is 60. So the answer is 120. Okay, another question. Find the value of x. Okay, if the sign is like this one also mean that this line and this line is same. Even if one here, same. If two here, same. But if one here, two at this side, that is not same. For this case, this one is same. So what is this one? You remember just now, this is called isosceles triangle. So where is the base? Where is the shoes? You have to know. Okay, do now. Okay, some of your friends got 55. We wait for others. We wait for others. Okay, so some of you already got the answer. So if you look at this diagram, this is the isosceles triangle. So first given outside here is 290. So we can find inside here. Okay, so we can find here what is here. This is the 1 turn, a whole turn, 360, minus outside here is 290. So we get equal to 70, mean that here equal to 70. Okay, now we have to identify the base, the shoes. So for this case, which one is the shoes? Is it 70 or X or here? So this is the leg. Okay, so your shoes should be this one. So this one equal to this one. If here is X, here also X. So after that, we know already the inside the interior angle. So we can write down as X plus 70. X plus 70 equal to 180. So X plus X is 2X. Atira, Nadira, si faham? Apa yang si faham? Cuba explain sikit. 2x equal to 180, you minus 70. So you get 2x equal to 110. So you divide by 2, you get 55. Okay, I explain in BM, ini adalah segitiga kaki sama. Where ini dan ini sama panjang. So when you have this one the same length, yang bawah dia ni mesti sama size angle. Okay, angle dia mesti sama size. So mesti identify dulu which one is the shoes, mana kasut dia. So for this case ini kaki, so ini kasut dia. Okay, kasut dia mesti sama, takkan kamu pakai kasut hijau satu, kuning satu. Okay, so mesti kasut dia ni mesti sama. So for this case, ini angle ini kita dah dapat 70 just now. So macam mana nak cari 70 ni pun saya harap, I hope that you already know how to find this because this one is a whole turn. Satu pusingan bulatan itu adalah bersamaan dengan 360. Okay, and then after di sini dah 70, so this one is the shoes sama. So if here is X, here also X. Kalau sini X, sini pun X. Kalau sini 20, sini pun 20. Dia mesti sama. So for this case, we want to find what is the value of X. Kita nak cari berapa nilai X ini. So in the triangle, saya dah bagi tahu tadi, jumlah angle di dalam triangle ini adalah 180. So X ini angle X, ini angle X plus lah, tambah ini, tambah 70, dapat 180. Okay, and then this one you move to the back, dia akan jadi minus 2X. So minus 180 minus 70 is 110. Divide by 2, bahagi dengan 2 sebab kita tak nak 2 ni. So kita bahagi dengan 2, 110 bahagi dengan 2, you get 55. Faham tak Atira? Can you please respond me? Kalau tak faham lagi, message personal je lah. Okay, next, another one. Find the value of X. 1 minute. Okay, that seems that most of you got the answer 50. Are you sure? Okay, given the diagram like this is the x we want to find. Okay, so this one given this is isosceles triangle. Only two sides are equal length. Okay, but I mean that the shoes should be here and also here. Okay, but we do not know what is the shoes, but we know this is opposite angle. You have learned this one that before this. This is opposite angle. So if here is 65, opposite angle also equal to 65. Opposite angle. Okay, now the base is the shoes. The base or the shoes is here and also here. This is the base. So mean that if here is 65, here also 65. Same shoes, same angle, same base. Okay, so if this one equal to 65, then we can find x because this is a triangle. So total equal to 180. So we can find x equal to 180 minus 65 minus 65. So you get the answer equal to 50. Well done for those who answer. For those who cannot answer, you can message me later. I will teach you one by one. Okay. So for your offline class later, please do your workbook page 114. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you, class, and see you again. Any problem?
Teacher.
No problem.
No problem.
Okay. Okay, bye.
No
Thank you,
problem, teacher.
class.
Bye, teacher. Bye.
Bye,
Bye, sir.
teacher.
Thank you,
Thank you,
teacher.
teacher.
Bye, Tina.
Teacher.
Okay.
Thank you, teacher.
Bye.
Bye, teacher.
Bye.